Are you ready to dive deep into the world of problem solving? I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, and in today's video, we're going to explore the world of root cause analysis, also known as RCA. We'll be navigating through the most effective methods of RCA, and by the end of this video, you'll know which approach suits your needs best, based on several factors such as the complexity of the problem, the number of causes, and the assets involved. So buckle up as we embark on this journey to make reliability and maintenance tasks easier for you and your team. First up, we have the 5 whys method. This is perhaps the most straightforward way to perform root cause analysis, but it's also quite narrow. It's as simple as asking why 5 times to really get to the heart of the problem. It's a bit like playing detective. You start with, why did X happen? And the answer is, because of Y. Then you ask, why did Y happen? And so on until you can't go any further. This method is ideal for a problem that's simple, where there's not a lot of data involved, or that involves human factors. For instance, let's say an office's air conditioner is short cycling because the thermostat is set too high. Digging deeper, you might find the thermostat is set too high because there aren't any controls in place to prevent employees from doing so. However, if you're dealing with more complex issues involving multiple factors, you might need a different approach. Next on the list is the fault tree analysis. This is a visual way to handle problems with multiple moving parts. It's like creating a tree of potential causes, with your tree branching out as you move down each line. This method allows you to examine multiple potential causes at each level, letting the analysis branch out into multiple directions. For example, if a centrifuge is having issues, it might be due to the volume of material you're putting into it, but there could also be some electrical or mechanical issues at play. Fault tree analysis is great for complex technical issues, since you can logically compare multiple root causes at once. However, it doesn't leave much room for hypothetical possibilities or general brainstorming. Finally, we have the Fishbone diagram, also known as an Ishikawa diagram. This is another visual method where you look at the potential causes of an issue under different categories, each forming a branch in your diagram. Typically, your categories include environmental factors, equipment, people, and procedures. Fishbone diagrams work well with the 5 why approach since it lets you delve deep into each category. At the end, you'll have multiple root causes, giving you a fairly good representation of what the full breadth of systemic issues might be. However, they're less technical than fault tree analysis, and therefore tend to work best for general hypothesizing. So, whether you're dealing with a simple problem or a complex one, there's a root cause analysis method that can help you uncover the underlying issues. Choose the one that best fits your situation and start solving those problems today. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the 5 whys method, fault tree analysis, and the Fishbone diagram, all powerful tools for root cause analysis. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn more, please subscribe to our channel. For additional resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you streamline your maintenance and reliability tasks.